Hello student, today I am going to teach about the subject Commercial Maths, class 11, chapter 1st and its part 11. We will discuss about some question which is related to the compound ratio. We know that compound ratio in which more than two ratios are given. This question is based on compound ratio. The question is 20 men are able to complete piece of work in 9 days and working 10 hours a day. How long will 25 men working 6 hours a day take to complete the same piece of work? In this question, 20 men are given. 20 men complete their work in 9 days and working hour is 10 days a day, in a single day. And how long will be? Number of men are increased 20 to 25 and the working hour decreased 10 to 6 hour a day take to complete the same. We have to find the number of days. We know that when we should know about the inversely proportion. Inversely proportion, right down to top, that is show in arrow down to top. We know that the inversely proportion, one thing are increase and other thing will decrease. Number of men increase, the number of days will be decreased. That is the inversely proportion, and we write the symbol of inversely proportion like down to top. And second is a directly proportional, and we write it top to down. We know that one thing is increase, the other thing will be increase. This question is based same inversely and directly proportion. We can write it. First is a men, hours, days. 20 men, hour is taken 10 hours, days is 9, and 25 men, hour is 6, and we have to find days. That is a inversely proportion. Number of men increase, then number of hours decrease 10 to 6, and then number of days will be decrease, number of days increase. एक दिन में जब 20 वर्कर एक दिन में 10 घंटे काम करते हैं और 99 डेज में उन्होंने अपना काम कंप्लीट किया, तो 25 वर्कर एक दिन में जब 6 घंटा काम करेंगे, हमने वर्कर को इंक्रीज़ कर दिया बट हमने वर्किंग आवर्स जो है उसको घटा दिया, तो इसका मतलब कि हमारे डेज इंक्रीज़ हो जाएंगे. इसीलिए ये दोनों इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शन हुआ और ये डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शन. नंबर ऑफ डेज विल बी इंक्रीज. वी कैन राइट इट men hours per day 6 to 10 and number of days. We can write 25 multiply 6 into x is equal to 20 and 10 into 9. Find the value of x. 20, 10, 9 upon 25 into 6. We cut it, our answer will be 12 days. The answer is 12. 25 men complete their work for 6 working hours and days will be 12 days. Answer is 12 days. I hope you can understand this question very well. Thank you, class.